John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
Just power in and healing. Oh yeah. I done been through all types of mess. By 28 men I done been through all types of stress. But now I came to see that it was all for the best. Could have never been on this level if it wasn't for them tests. Hey, I'm a better man, and I'm a bit different in every way that I can. Oh yeah, soaring like an eagle in the wind, about to go higher, higher, no matter where I've been. Oh, could this really be what it feels like to be totally free? All my shackles are gone, and I've been bound by them for so long, yeah. I'm about to scream, and if you've been liberated, then you know just what I mean. Oh, about to swag it out and keep it fresh and on the scene. Cause the blood of Jesus washed me out, now I'm so clean, yeah. Just power in and healing. Oh yeah. Oh man. Could this really be what it feels like to be free, to be living the life that God has ordained for me? Reborn of fire, was born to inspire. Someone is see me go down, but Christ keep taking me higher. Yeah. Up, the sky is the limit. Ain't nothing you can't achieve if Christ is right there in it. Try it and you will see it. Want it and you can be it. Speak it and you can have it. Seek it and you shall find. Man, ain't you tired of living in defeat, of doing your very best and can't see the result of it, living on the edge and can't seem to get off your feet, of life taking you for a ride? Man, ain't you sick of it? Hey, I'm about to tell it as it is. Man, if you ain't tried Jesus, then you ain't never lived. Oh, Jesus said it, now I really come to see that there ain't too many people that I'd rather be than me, cause of the blood. Just power in and healing. Oh yeah. Oh, the blood of Jesus. 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 Yeah. Thanks for the blood, Daddy. Tight the squeeze, you hold me. Wash away ignorance from me. Pardon me, my advocate, no condemnation, you see. Cause I've been with the wisdom, the light to illuminate the world of darkness, no longer hopeless. Cause the blood